In this video, I'm going to show you how to do two-tone piping with buttercream. All right, I'm going to show you how to pipe with two different colors of buttercream. So this is a two-tone buttercream. We're going to fold our larger bag about halfway down. So this is a 16-inch. You can use whatever piping tip you want. And then I've got two different 12-inch bags that I already filled with buttercream, and I cut off the end. And all I have to do now is just place them both right in. And as long as we get the ends lined up, it doesn't matter that this one has a little more frosting, any of that, just get those ends lined up. And we'll get our bag ready. You're gonna wanna kind of twist all three of those bags and start to urge the icing down. And then we're ready to get going. Sometimes it takes a second for the exact blend that you want to come out right, but now you can bring both colors into the mix without a mess.